Hey Pita Chips, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to see your beautiful faces once again. Today I am super excited because I am doing a challenge. I don't normally do any challenges here on my channel. I think it's been a really long time since I've done a challenge, but this particular challenge was brought up to me by two of my Pita Chips that DM'd me on Instagram, where she found the cheapest item at Sephora, and you guys were like, Pita, do this, but in US dollars, because her video was in Canadian money. So I thought I will go ahead and give it a try and see what it's all about. I also really thought you guys would really like it because you guys know that this channel is all about being affordable, looking good on a budget, and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, I really think my Pita Chips will really enjoy this video. So if you guys want to find out with me what's the cheapest thing at Sephora, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I am now in the app, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and start with the first thing I see, which is makeup. So let's click on makeup and let's do face. So let's go to face and just foundation. And okay, first thing that came out is Fenty Beauty, $34. That's way too expensive. So let's sort it from low to high. And ooh, the cheapest thing is $11 for a Sephora CC cream. That's way too expensive, so let's go back. Let's do cheeks now. So let's go ahead and do again from low to high. Ooh, the cheapest thing is a Makeup Forever refillable palette for $2, but it's empty, so I guess that's kind of good. I'm wondering if we're gonna find anything cheaper than $2 because that already sounds really cheap to me. So let's go ahead and go to lip and just lipstick. And let's sort it from low to high. Okay, so here there is a Sephora collection lip last lipstick for $5. That's kind of cheap, but it's not $2 cheap, so we have to keep looking. Let's do brushes and applicators. Okay, the cheapest thing here is a Sephora collection hide and seek skinny brush for $5, which actually doesn't seem bad, but it's not $2. So now let's go to accessories, hoping I can find something cheaper than $2, guys. I think that's the cheapest we're going to get just because it is literally an empty container and I don't think we can go any cheaper than that. So if I don't find anything cheaper than the $2, I'm gonna buy something not super like high-end but also very affordable so I can put to the test and show you guys. Let's go to accessories now. Okay, let's see. Ooh, a Beauty on the Fly bag for $95, which doesn't seem bad, but I actually can't put that to the test and it's not cheaper than $2. So should we try mini size and see what we can find there? Okay, let's try mini sizes. I found a Sephora collection. This is a beauty amplifier for $5. So it looks like I can put that to the test, or a Sephora collection mascara for also $5. So if I don't find anything else, I think I'm gonna have to go with one of these two to actually put to the test. Okay, so now the hard part is deciding what the heck I'm gonna get. I have 4 items to decide, so I guess for now I'm gonna decide which 2 items I'm gonna get, because the lip mask I can kind of put it to the test, but I also want to test something on my face to see if maybe a product that's $4 or $5 actually does work. So for now I'm gonna choose my items and then I'm gonna see how long it takes to get here. So I will actually see you guys when the items get here and then we're gonna put them to the test. So I will see you guys in a couple of days. Alright guys, it has been 4 days and I have finally received my Sephora box. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. I'm finally gonna show you guys what I got. I'm excited! When you open it up, it just comes with this paper here. Okay, and it has my order here, my order receipt, and all the goodies are in here. Now you might see some extra goodies in this box just because I did get like free makeup when you check out in the Sephora app or just even online. It asks you if you want to basically try out any products like samples, and then I also redeemed another product with my VIB points. Since I was already at it, I was like, might as well get them because at this store they always have like the crappy ones. So I got that. Alright, these are the items that I purchased at Sephora. These for me were personally the cheapest items I could find at Sephora. This is a Sephora moisturizing and smoothing lip mask in Shea, and this one was $150, which is not expensive for a lip mask. I actually want to put this to the test. I'm going to take off my lipstick and see if it actually makes a difference or not. And then the next one is this Sephora Lash Craft Length and Volume Mascara. Now this one I don't quite remember how much it was, and it doesn't even say in the receipt order, but I think it was like $4.50 or $5, somewhere around there. It was the second cheapest item that I found at Sephora, so super excited. I'm actually going to take my bottom lashes mascara off, and I'm going to apply this one to see if it works or not. I want to put them to the test and see if they actually work, if it's worth, you know, the $4 or $5, and if the mask is also worth the $150. And then at the end I'll show you guys the other items that I got for free. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my mascara for my lower lashes off, and we're gonna put this to the test. Okay, I have completely taken all of my mascara from my lower lashes off, and I took the mascara out of the box, and it just says Lash Craft Length and Volume Mascara. When it comes to my lower lashes, they are pretty long, so I can easily right away tell if it works or not, just because it makes them so much longer. So we're gonna see if this actually works and put it to the test. Okay, so it's actually not doing a bad job at all. For the $5 that I paid, I think it's amazing. I'm gonna try to see if it works. Yes, it even adds length to the tiniest lashes that I have, like the ones that are in here in the inner corner and in the outer corner. It's adding length and volume to them, which is amazing. I'm very impressed actually, because mascaras, you really have to look like at the wand, and if they make your lashes like stay up, if they make them just like go down, or if they're just adding mascara but not actually doing anything. And I must say, this mascara, I'm actually quite impressed. I really do like it. I am impressed. For what I paid, I think I'm actually going to get a lot of use out of this. I'm going to be using it. Obviously, I want to try it on my real lashes, my top ones. But like you guys can see right now, I am wearing falsies. I'm actually wearing lily lashes that I found on Marshalls for $9.99. I got 2 pairs plus the tweezers for $10. Oh my god, if I could scream right now. I can't believe I found them. They're $9.99. Look, there's Lily. That was a really good deal. So I'm wearing Lily lashes in Luxe, and I love them so much. I have never owned a pair of super expensive lashes until now. Okay, the next item will be the Sephora lip mask, and I'm gonna take off my lippy to put it to the test. I mean, with the lip mask, like, how could you go wrong with a lip mask, honestly? And for my lips, I'm wearing Truffle by Dose of Colors, because I know I might get questions about my lip combo. I just wear Truffle by Dose of Colors, that's it. So I'm gonna take this off and I'll be back. Alright, now I look a little weird because I have no lipstick on, but I'm gonna put, like I said, the Sephora lip mask, and this one is in Shea. I'm gonna put it to the test and see what it's all about. So I have never worn a lip mask ever in my life, so this is pretty interesting. I don't even know what to expect. So we're gonna put this on our lips, and it says to leave it on for 15 minutes. 15 minutes it is, so I will put it on and then I will see you guys in 15 minutes. But I'm trying to figure out how to put this on my lips. Like, which side do I put on my lips? Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this covered way much more than my lips. Oh man, this is gonna mess up my foundation. Okay, I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Actually, 16 minutes. And I'm gonna take this off now. And, oh my god. My lips feel so soft. I got a little bit in my mouth and it actually tasted good. I know I shouldn't be trying it, but it tasted kind of good and it smells delicious. I cannot get over it. I had never tried a lip mask like I told you guys, so I was super excited, and it actually made my lips feel super smooth. I feel like they're more rich now and they're not so dry, because my lips originally are super dry, and I really liked it. I think this for like once a week would not be bad, so I'm actually impressed for $150. I think it's great. Just a lip mask for $150. Why not? So far the lip mask and the mascara was a win-win. I actually really really do like it. So I am actually quite impressed that I love everything that I purchased at Sephora for under literally $8. I think we did so good for a lip mask and a mascara. Now I'm going to show you guys the goodies that I received. So once I checked out, it gave me options if I wanted to basically redeem free items. So every time that you purchase something, they ask you if you want to try out new products or like samples. So I said, why not? It's free makeup. And the first sample that I got is the YSL 8 Hour of Beauty Sleep in a Click. These are actually concealers and they're by YSL. I'll give you guys a little close up so you guys can see. There we go. That's what they look like, and it comes with 3 different shades. Super excited. It comes with number 1, number 2, and number 3. So I'm super excited to try these out and give them a whirl, and if I end up liking them, I'll just purchase the full size. And then another sample that I got is the Dior Forever Undercover Nude Foundation. Look at that. Super excited to try this as well. I'm thinking this right here is probably my shade, or I can probably mix these two, but I'm all about trying new makeup, and I just recently purchased a new foundation, so trying out new foundations never hurts. So I'm gonna see if I like these. And then with my points, I redeemed my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Original. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Since we're talking about Sephora, guys, if you're new to my channel, do not forget that I have a Sephora giveaway going on. So I'm giving away 3 Sephora gift cards to 3 of my lucky pita chips. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to enter the giveaway, make sure to go check out the video down below in the description box. But basically how it works, all you have to do is show love on my YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Basically go spam me and make me want to notice you. And on Saturday morning, when I upload the Target Makeup Beginners Kit, I will be announcing the winner for the 3 Sephora gift cards. But if you do not win a Sephora gift card, do not worry, because I do pretty much a lot of giveaways in my channel because I like to give back to you guys. So if you have not entered the giveaway, make sure pause this video and go into the giveaway right now. I know I'm also going to receive a lot of questions of what I'm wearing on my eyes, and if you guys want a tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. On my eyes, I am wearing After Hours by Bad Habit from Hush, and the palette looks like this. It's super stunning. I love it. If you guys have not seen my Hush haul video that I recently uploaded, it will be linked down below. Make sure to go check it out. I unboxed almost $200 worth of Hush palettes, and I loved it. And there's also a giveaway in that video, so make sure to go check it out. But I am wearing literally almost every single color on my eyes from this palette, and I absolutely love it. I do have a coupon code, pita chips, but I'll leave it down below in the description box as well. If you guys want to purchase anything from Hush, you can use my coupon code. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.